Hi, Steve from itDuzzit here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to call an XML-based API from itDuzzit. This video is intended for those who are already familiar with the Duzzit editor. The XML-based API that I'm going to call is the Yahoo Traffic API. For this Duzzit, I'm going to have an input for a zip code, and I'm going to print out some text. To call the API, I'll select Call a Web Service from the menu. To call the web service, I'll specify the URL. In this case, the URL takes a zip code. So I'll replace the zip value with the value that's my input. That's really all I need to do to call the web service. But to make things easier, I can put in a sample response. Now, most APIs in their documentation will give you a sample response, so you can just copy that value from there and paste it right into your Duzzit. There. Now the sample response is actually on the left. This will allow me to drag values from the left into my Duzzit. For this Duzzit, I'll create a loop so I can loop for each result in the result set. Now I'm going to add a step so that I can set the text value. So for this particular example, I just want the title. So I'm going to print the title. And since I'm in a loop, I'll want to append. Okay, so let's give it a try. I'll type in my zip. And I receive various traffic reports. So if I only care about certain streets, I can add an input for street. And then I can say if the title contains street, then I want to print out the message. So let's try it again. This time, I only want the traffic reports for I-90. So there we go. That's it for this video demonstration. Thanks for watching.